Hey, what's up? What go on, people? So we're there again. We're back at the RC field. Winter has been brutal for the past few weeks, so no video has been posted. But we're back at the field today. One relatively warm day. We're going to be flying the Extreme Flight Edge 540T is it, and this is a 3D printed Super Chipmunk. Is it? So we're gonna do a thing today. Have some fun, get a few flights in, and try to head back home. You know what I mean? Get this posted today. See it there? See it there? No snow. Mad thing. We're gonna do it. Crazy. Alright, so let's do it.
Ready to fly.
Alright, first let's check. Left, right, up and down, left and right. Alright, flying on a 6S.
Throttle cut.
5,200 milliamps. Yep, there we go.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
What the hell just
Telemetry
happened?
lost.
What the
Throttle cut.
Yo, I don't know what just happened. I just lost all my signal. What the freaking hell? I'm gonna pause the video and run down there to see the damage. This is insane, yo. Yeah, here we are. I really don't know what just happened. Shit. This is definitely no fun. Yo, I really don't know what just happened. AC is good. What the freaking hell, yo? Alright. That's my first flight in a while. That's insane. Freaking hell. Alright, back to the drawing board. Alright guys, so I'm going to pack this up. Alright, I'll see what I'm going to do next. This is insane, yo.
Ready to fly.
I remember I was doing a flat spin, my 73-inch edge, and I got a little bit too close to the ground, and nah, not too close, I got into the ground.
One minute and 30 seconds.
Crap, the wind was pushing me away just now. Yep. Alright.
1 minute.
That's a good landing right there. All things considered. Alright guys.
Throttle.
At least I got 2 good flights in. I'll take that for the day. Yeah, so I'm going to be heading home. Taking it easy for the rest of the day. But yeah, thanks for tuning in guys, and have a good rest of your day, you know what I mean? Mad thing. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. It's winter now, so I think I'm going to be slow on the uploads unless I'm doing a build, or I think I have some crazy FPV videos coming up. I'm making a homemade head tracker unit for my DJI O3 Air unit. But yeah, stay tuned. As I said, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. My thing. I'm out.